Well, my new hobby is how learn how to run a skid steer. So never ran one before. I had a John Deere tractor. I know how to run that, but this is a little bit different. So we're building a house for my son. So my son-in-law bought it, and well, if I ever wanted to learn how to do it, now's the time and the perfect project how to learn how to do it. So kind of been playing with this thing a little bit slow. I mean slow because these things are so touchy. They just you press it in the wrong way, it's gonna spin it the wrong side, and it's gonna knock some of these posts on a house or run through a wall or something like that. So I kind of been going slow at trying to kind of just uh, move some dirt around the foundation. We kind of were backfilling, and then we have this as you can kind of see here is this water retaining water runoff, like the pit here. The township requires a giant hole here. My son-in-law, he came and dug it up yesterday, and with the excavator, and piled it up here. And now I'm kind of like trying to kind of backfill it in here, and just kind of doing it in here. I'm kind of going slow and just putting it around the post out there, doing a little bit with the shovel, getting as close as I can. But you can definitely do it if you have time and desire. Obviously you got to have a lot of desire and patience, because it takes you a long time to kind of build that muscle memory. And yeah, I'm gonna get on this thing and play a little bit more, so see how I do. I hope I don't knock any of these posts out. That would suck. So but other than that, I'm gonna have fun playing on dirt. Yeah, the skid steer definitely looks easier than it is, but you can definitely move some dirt around if you take your time. Obviously I suck at it, but you know, you can move some dirt, just compact it, and doesn't look like a professional would have done it, but this is just a compact, just a dirt, like a dirt fill. And we're still gotta put the topsoil here, so I gotta get it from up there or something, someplace, and just gonna put it in here, because then the porch is gonna go in there. So we gotta put the topsoil in there and use a little compactor. And but other than that, a great way to learn how to play with that thing. The more you run it, the more you basically push dirt, the better off it's gonna work, and you're gonna learn, starting to build some muscle memory. Still have a long ways to go, but playing in dirt is dirt. If you don't like it, somewhere high, somewhere low, just keep moving it around. So, but just don't be afraid to play with that. Just stay away from the buildings, anything that you can run into. If you can avoid that, just can't go wrong. So get on one and try it, see how it goes.